Hello, my name is Michael Mirdad, and I'm taking a moment to invite you to an upcoming workshop that we do here at the Global Center for Christ Consciousness every January. It's a great way to start the year, kind of emptying your cup of previous year or years and really refilling your cup with a readiness for new consciousness. It's called Consciously Co-Creating a New Life. And it's Sunday, January 5th from 12 to 3 Arizona time. You don't have to attend in person. You can watch on Zoom or in person. But if you can't attend in person or at that moment, that hour, that day, you can watch it anytime because it's recorded. This workshop covers things like, healing past patterns and so forth, understanding the creation process, not just manifestation techniques, but co-creating with God. And if that alone was all we covered, it's worth it, because instead of using the power of the human egoic mind to make things happen, which I call manifesting is like man's infestations, instead learning to co-create with God a new life. It comes from a more peaceful, tranquil place instead of from a place of lack and need. So we cover these things, learning to enjoy and give thanks for the things we're manifesting, or rather creating, learning powerful, simple techniques on how to bring about a better life. And I'm talking about really learning to evaluate in a healthy way, an accurate way, honest way, where you're at with your life and what you'd like to change. Many people attend it every year because even though they've learned and heard some of the skills, some of them are different every year, I add to it. But not only are they changing some of that each year, they also love to see where they're at, how they're doing with their life. So it's an ongoing improvement, I guess you could say. So join us if you feel called to co-create a new life. God bless. Thank you.